Now, if you're at a family reunion or hanging out with a group of friends and you want to capture a memorable group shot where everyone looks their best, Google's Best Take feature uses AI technology to create the perfect group photo, even if someone's looking away, blinking, or pulling a funny face. Now, it does this by analyzing group photos that are taken one after the other and then presents to you different expressions of the face you want to change. Then all you have to do is choose the expression you want to swap in. Now, this will create a group photo that perfectly blends together an image where everyone looks their best. Similar to Google's Magic Eraser tool, which removes unwanted people or objects, the Google Pixel 8 Pro now allows you to remove distracting background noises from your videos with the Audio Magic Eraser. Now, this means the sound of the wind or passing cars no longer has to distract from the content you're capturing. Now, it uses Google's advanced AI to identify sounds that you may want to remove. It then organizes them into separate layers that can then be easily edited out and reduced, resulting in a video that only includes audio you want to hear. Now, this technology gives you the control over the sound you want to hear in your video content. Google Assistant can now make waiting on hold more productive. When calling a business and placed on hold, you can instruct Google Assistant to take over the wait for you. It not only alerts you when someone is available to talk to you, but also allows you to make the most of your time. Through voice commands, you can check emails, respond to messages, or receive quick updates. Perfect if you're a busy professional, frequent traveler, or just looking to make the most of your daily routines. So if you're looking for a powerful smartphone with the latest AI technology, there's no need to look much further than the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If you'd like to find out more info about this Google smartphone, you can visit us in store, head online, or even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.